Hello again and welcome back. Well, in this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the community tab of Figma. So for that, you have to go back to the home page, or if you're using a browser, then you have to click on this Figma icon and just click that back to file option. And there you go. This is the community tab that I was talking about. So let's just click on it. And in the community tab, you will find hundred but thousands of files from the community contributors, and it is 100% free to use. And this will help you to understand the design system, design methodology, and even it will inspire you before you start designing. And you can obviously click on this tab for particular categories like design system, visual assets, and development. And it will definitely show you lots of assets and lots of inspirations and plugins and files on the development sector. Or you can just search on your specific topic. For say, if you want to search for a website for Coca-Cola. So let's just type Coca-Cola. Let's search. And you will see lots of contributors actually designed web page or mobile applications on Coca-Cola product. So if you like one of this product, let's just say this one, you can click on it, and if you want to play with it and want to understand the design system of it, you can just click here to get a copy, and it will make a copy for you so that you can use it and understand the whole system, how the designer designed the whole process and everything. See, every layers and every tabs, every page are already here, and it is all, and assets are also designed and well organized right here. And if I'm not wrong, it should be a prototyped website. So let's just check it out. As you can see, this is a fully animated, fantastically designed web page on Coca-Cola, and this is amazing that this is a free resource and you can play with it and you can use it for your future project inspiration. And this is just amazing, and this is everything is for free, and everything is for free, and it's in community tab. See, I wasn't expecting that. This is great. How cool is that? And it is for free in the community tab. So let's see some other options in community tab. Let's go back to the community tab again. The other thing that you will find in the community tab is plugins. Well, plugins are something, it's a small application for you so that it can help you to ease up your work process. For example, you have to use lots of photos in your website design. So there is one way you can download it from a website, something like called Pixel, and you have to download it in your PC, and then you have to drag it into your design. Or you can just use a plugin called Pixels. Just click here, and you have to click this button says try it out. Give it a second to load, and from this you just have to click on run, and here is the plugin. You can just use it right from Figma without leaving the Figma while you are designing your website. And it is very easy, very simple to use, and all you have to do just click here, and here is the picture, and you can use it in your design very easily. And if you like the plugin and want to use frequently for your future design, all you have to do just click here and click this three dot and just click the save button, and it will be saved, and you can use it for your future design very easily. So Figma has this amazing community tab for your assets and plugins to ease up your work and your daily inspiration. Great! Happy learning! I'll see you in the next lesson.